Have you ever thought about including a wiki, a Google Doc, or maybe a website into your course? Including such pieces of the web is a great way to increase interactivity, and it's pretty easy to do in Storyline. Here, I've inserted the Connect Eco site as a web object, so new hires can get familiar with the resources found there. Rather than telling them about the website, I thought it was best to let them actually experience it. Let me show you how you can insert a web object onto one of your slides. Let's go ahead and close this and get back to our Storyline project. So we'll double-click to get back into slide view. If your web object is going to display in the slide, it's probably a good idea to devote as much screen real estate to it as you can. So to insert web object, go up to Insert, and then Web Object, which is in the Media section. Type in your web address. You have some options as to whether you want it to display in slide or in a new browser window. Select OK. And then Storyline will drop in a web object. If you need to edit the web object, for example, the address, you just right-click, select Web Object, and then Edit. Let me point out a few options you have for web objects. You have a preview option, which can be handy. You have options on how you want it to load, whether automatically or when clicked. You have arrange options. For example, you could put some text in front of this and send the web object to the back. And then you have some sizing options as well. So now I'll publish this file so you can really see what it'll look like. We'll go to Home. We'll select Publish on the far right. Web is selected. Select Publish. And we'll view our project. So Internet Explorer is restricting this web page, and you're getting this message because you're trying to view the web object from your personal computer. If you were to put this on the web, you more than likely would not run into that issue. And so now we have a real live website in our course. We can search, we can scroll, we can make a comment, we can do anything you normally would be able to do. And that is how you insert a web object in Storyline. Bringing pieces of the web into your course really does enhance interactivity. So I'll ask you, what pieces of the web might you include in your course?